It has finished for almost 3 weeks now. But he said he has no money. So we are using coal to cook. When I talk, Corey will come up. And I don't want to talk this time. So I want to take this document to keep it as a reference. I made this when it was my travel to Africa. Because we had a bad man here. She was with us. I bought this. Just to make our home. You never make me friends. This is how we These are my smells. There is no light in this room. For the past 3 months, the bulb got. I asked him to fix it to come up with it. I thought this I provoke him, so I don't say anything these days. In the house. Before I traveled to Syria. Yeah, that's from here. It was falling off like this. It's just falling off every day. The door is not good. The door is not good. The door is not fit. I was afraid for the kids. The fridge is not good. We had to change it. This was what we were using before. The past 6 years. I never complained. I didn't tell him. He's a biker customer. No, it's not good. He said for his children. And yet still is good. What about it? This monkey has been here for the past 4 months. For which reason, I don't know. Monkey's toilet, used to toilet around here. Missed the place. Smell, the monkey smells. I'm standing smelling. But if I see a word here, you shout. So I keep my mouth shut. Listen. This is a rope on this bed. I want to use to tie. I used to keep my voice down. This is when I was praying on my daughter. Here she is. Here. This was a 1-year birthday. It was the first from our last birthday we ever celebrated. In fact, our naming ceremony was not that much, so we had to make another. She's beautiful. She needs help. She needs a cool future. She was sick, so I had to come up here. You know, last time this thing fall off. Surely nothing absolutely in this house. But I'm not complaining. The truth is I'm not complaining like other women. Frustrating. Today is Sunday. He has come. You don't care whether we are happy or not, whether we have church clothes, whether... He didn't even ask, are you going to church or not? What happened? He just left like that. He has gone. He's going to teach the children. While in his own home, has nothing. This morning he was telling me that I want to buy those chairs. I told him that is not a problem these days. We have school fees to pay, we have the rent, the lights bill. As I'm talking, there is no... The light bill is there. So, what's the essence of buying chair while we have these ones that we are using? It just went off like that to where he's going. He has gone to church. This is what it takes to marry. You are in your own home when you're not happy. You feel like doing whatever I want to do. This is what it means. You do whatever I want to do. No care, the children have no dress to go to church now. With the little I have, I used to manage. That is, I'm not complaining on that. But it has gone too far. All these years I thought that it would change. Whenever he has a little opportunity, he will suppress us. He will do whatever he wants to do. He has no compassion. Even if you are sick at night, something happens, he will just turn his head and sleep. Look at me. It's not me. I was not like this before. I was never like this. It's terrible. In fact, when I advised him, he would tell me that I provoke him. Even the gas, when it finished, almost 2 weeks since I came back, talked to him about the gas. Even this morning, he said he don't have, let us talk to God. And he is telling me that he wants to buy a chair this morning, which is about 2005, to pay the girl and after, you know, all these things does not sound well in my head. For the children's school fee, Gideon is going to grade 1 this September, next month. He's not thinking about it, he's thinking about chairs. You want to live big life. Outside the house, 3 satellites. You put there. But no television to look at them. That small television does not belong to him. I want people to know that he's living big. While in we at home, he has no concern. All we need is love and a little care from him. We go to other people's houses. When I'm selling my this thing, we go to other people, you see other men buying for their wives. They take it. Oh, is it because I go out? I have my reason why I went out to struggle. Because he said he don't want to suffer. $50 a day, that's what he gave. We give $100 every 2 days. I never complain. But this thing has gone too far. Because if I talk, he will say that I'm bad. I am pissing him off. Let me wait, God. As his age, he cannot do anything. When he's old, he started working. I'm afraid for my children. I'm confused. I want a good future for my children. I have a ministry. I'm a Christian. They said you don't divorce. Divorce is not good. You don't leave your husband. But my husband is not treating us kindly. He forced me to accept things. Forced me. He does not negotiate. He brings things in and he says, I brought it. Then what? even go ahead and ask me, am I afraid of you? Who are you? Who do you think you are? I am nobody. I'm God's creation. God's creation. I have nobody to talk to. Go and pour your heart out to somebody and start bringing plenty of things. So I decided to make this documentary so that I'll keep it and see what God will do for me. I never wanted to mess up myself around. When I came in this town, there were many guys, many men. But I said, let me keep myself. Let me sober myself. The man that married me. I met him. And since that day, it's like my suffering has started. No joy. No peace. No comfort. No love. The more we stay longer, the more things go worse. The more we stay longer, the more things go worse. The more I'm staying with him, the more things are going worse. Tell me that he loves his family so much that, yes, Charlie, that he can even starve his children here to settle debt they collect in their land. I told him I didn't refuse for you not to do for them. Since you married me, when have you given me money to send for my relatives? Did I complain? I expect you to take care of your mother, your father, your younger ones in grade school. But not to let him us suffering while your home is suffering. At the end of the day, we suffer. Nobody stops anyone to do for their relatives. God is a blessing for them. They suffer with you. You grow up and you abandon them. How can you provide for them when you don't have? I told you to do something, but you see me as a bad person. All this I'm going through is because I'm an African. Is it because I have nowhere to go? Or is it because you say you have wed me in the church? No divorce, so you have right to do anything with me? When I continue in this pain and die slowly, how can I speak my mind out? Do I really have love in this marriage? My children make me happy when I see them. But it all started because of war in my country. It all started because of the rebellion war in Sierra Leone. I was at the age of 12. That fateful morning and Friday. When the rebel came in my town. They came. I don't know why I don't feel like going to school. I never stay out of school. That day, that morning when I woke up, I was so weak. I told my mother that to go and take water and wash both. And then after you will go to school. By then, immediately I was washing the bowl, I had people running. I went in and told my mother that it was rebel. My mother just dropped everything and we started running out. I told my younger brother, I'm not even take anything. Came. We walked over 50 miles